Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to build a client dashboard in ClickUp from scratch. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear, organized space for managing your client projects, making collaboration smoother, and helping you keep all your important info right where it needs to be. Whether you're a freelancer, part of a team, or running your own agency, mastering client dashboards can really streamline your workflow. So let's jump right in. First things first, head over to your ClickUp workspace. This is your main hub where all your projects, tasks, and spaces live. If you're new to ClickUp, your workspace is the dashboard you see right after you log in. If you have multiple workspaces, maybe for different teams or businesses, just make sure you're in the one that's set up for client management. Having everything centralized here helps prevent mix-ups and wasted time later on. Next up, you'll want to create a new space. In ClickUp, a space is kind of like a big folder that organizes related projects or processes. Think of it like a filing cabinet drawer dedicated just to your client's needs. To do this, look for the plus Create Space button, usually found on the sidebar. Click that and you're ready to start setting up a dedicated area for your client dashboard. Creating a separate space keeps everything about your clients, from tasks to documents and conversations, neatly contained and easy to find. Now here, where ClickUp really shines for building dashboards, templates. Once you're prompted to configure your new space, you'll see an option that says Use Templates. Templates in ClickUp are like blueprints. They save you the hassle of building everything from scratch and ensure you're not missing any essential features. So go ahead and click Use Templates. This will open up a library of ready-made structures that you can customize for your own workflow. In the template search bar, type Client. This keyword filters the templates to show you just those relevant to client management. You'll see several options, some built for tracking client projects, others for onboarding, and maybe a few that are perfect for client communication and status updates. Take a moment to scroll through and find one that fits what you're looking for. For most people, the standard client dashboard template is a great starting point. Once you've found the template that best matches your needs, click Use Template. ClickUp will set up the space for you, creating lists, statuses, and custom fields designed for managing client work. This part might take a few moments as ClickUp copies all the preset details into your new space. Don't worry if it's not instant, just let it run. When it's done, take a look around your new dashboard. You'll probably see sections for client names, project timelines, and maybe even automated reminders. Everything's organized and ready to be tailored to fit your clients. Now you've got the essential framework of a client dashboard, and you're ready to start adding specific client info, tracking tasks, or sharing updates with your team. Remember, you can always tweak the template, add new lists, change colors, or adjust fields, so it works just right for your business. Setting up dashboards like this saves you tons of time and keeps everyone on the same page. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need advice on customizing your space. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical ClickUp tutorials. See you in the next one.